In this video, we're going to show you how to prep the interior of a house when you're painting everything. First thing you want to do is make sure you have enough sundries, enough paper, tape, plastic to go ahead and give you a professional prep throughout the house. And first things first, put paper on all the hard floor surfaces. So that's the hardwood, any laminates, vinyl, or tile or anything like that. Use paper for those areas. And then when you have carpet, you want to go ahead and use plastic and some protective film, and that's what we're going to be using as a protective plastic film on all our carpet. And so first things first is masking off the entire house, masking off everything that you do not want paint to get on. And for example, we have the floors right here, some handrails, got some bookshelves going on, fireplace. Everything that you will have to clean paint off in the end, you want to go ahead and cover it now so you don't have to do that later. And so we're also going to be spraying, using a sprayer for this house. So we're going to create some plastic barriers to stop overspray from carrying throughout the house. That's going to keep the overspray down, keep dust from settling in different areas of the house. So you want to create a spray booth where you're working. Now after you have everything prepped, maxed off, and covered, go ahead and start prepping these surfaces, baby. We're going to go ahead and start staining these walls, covering some holes, fixing some cracks, bringing out the caulk, and go ahead and filling all the gaps in our trim, in our doors, all the frames, and also get those windows and that glass covered with plastic as well on all the trim and doors. So once everything is sanded and you got the whole area prepped and ready to go for paint, we're gonna go ahead and do a walkthrough and go ahead and dust off all the trim. Go ahead and a light sweep, get a vacuum, get all the dust out of the area, so that way when you come back tomorrow or whenever you start painting, we can get straight to it. So that's how you do a professional prep for the interior of your house when you're painting everything. This is how a home is supposed to look after you do extensive prep work on all areas and on all surfaces. This is a freshly painted home now. Job is finished with very, very minimal cleanup to do. Makes the painter's job easier and makes the customer much happier.